Good morning, students. Today we will learn about lines and angles. In this chapter, we will discuss here separately about adjacent angles, linear pair, adjacent angles on a line, vertically opposite angle, supplementary and complementary angles. So listen carefully. Let's start step by step. First, we will learn adjacent angles. What is adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are the two angles that have common vertex and common side, but they do not overlap. See the example here. In the given figure, you can see angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. They share the common vertex O and they have one common side. In the middle of the figure, you can see one ray is there. This line is actually here common side. Now we will see another figure. In the given figure, you can see angle 1 and angle 3 are non-adjacent because between them another angle 2 is there. They share a common vertex but not a common side. You can see they all meet at same point, but they don't share a common side. Again we will see another figure. See, in this figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are non-adjacent angles. In this figure you can see they have common side, but they don't share common vertex. Now we will learn about linear pair. See, linear pairs are two adjacent angles that create a straight line. Linear pairs are supplementary angles, that is, they together makes 180 degree. See here the example. See, angle DCA and angle DCB are two adjacent angles. Why? You can see here DC is the common side between two angles and C is here common vertex. So we can say that DCA and DCB are two adjacent angles, and you can see here the value of angle DCA is 50 degree and value of DCB is 130 degree. So if you add 50 and 130 degree, you will get here 180 degree, and you know that 180 degree means straight angle, or you can say that it is supplementary. See here the value of angle ACB is 180 degree. So we can say that it forms a straight line. So when two adjacent angles makes together a straight line, it will be a linear pair. We will see here another example. Angle BOA and BOC here two adjacent angles whose values are 40 degree and 140 degree respectively. If you add 40 degree and 140 degree, you will get 180 degree. It means they together makes angle AOC, that is 180 degree. It means that AOC or AC is a straight line. So we can say that the two adjacent angles BOA and COA are here linear pair because they are making here a straight angle, that means 180 degree. Now we will see the adjacent angles on a line. The sum of the angles created on one side of a straight line is always 180 degree. In the given figure you can see angle AOC, angle COD and angle DOB. Three adjacent angles are one side of the straight angle or straight line. So they together makes here 180 degree. See here another example. Here sum of 30, 105 and 45 degree is 180 degree, and all the three angles are here one side of the straight line. So from here we can see also that the sum of the angles created on one side of straight line is 180 degree. Now I will discuss here vertically opposite angle. When two straight lines intersect each other, four angles formed. The pair of angles which lie on the opposite side of the point of intersection are called here vertically opposite angle. In the given figure you can see the line AB and CD intersect at O. So it forms here four angles, that is AOC, DOB, AOD and BOC. Here angle AOD and BOC is vertically opposite angle. Similarly, angle AOC and DOB is vertically opposite angle. If you measure the angles, you can see here angle AOC equals to 35 degree, angle DOB equals to also 35 degree. Angle BOC is here 145 degree and angle AOD 145 degree. From this measurement we can say that angle BOD and angle AOC here opposite to each other, so they are called as vertically opposite angle. Similarly, the angle DOA and COB are also called vertically opposite angle. When we will say the two angles are complementary, when the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then we will say it is complementary angle. See here, two angles 30 degree and 60 degree here adjacent, and they also makes together 90 degree. So we will say that these two angles are adjacent and complementary angles. On the other hand, 40 degree and 50 degree are separate here, but if you add them you will get here 90 degree. So we can say that complementary angles but not adjacent. Now see supplementary angles. When we will say the angles are supplementary, if two angles makes together 180 degree, then we will say it's supplementary angle. See here, 120 degree and 60 degree adjacent angles, and sum of these two angles here 180 degree. So we will say 120 and 60 is supplementary of each other. On the other hand, 40 degree and 140 degree are not adjacent angles, but the sum of them is also 180. So we will say supplementary angles are here 40 and 140, but they are not adjacent. Here you can see the summarized forms, and it will be help you to memorize the formula. See complementary angles, it angles that add up to 90 degree. You can see 52 degree and 30 degree makes 90 degree, so they are complementary. So and same way supplementary angles 128 degree and 52 degree together it makes 180 degree. So we can say from here these two angles are supplementary to each other.